What is your hair care routine?
एक दिन पहले ऑयलिंग,
हाँ जी,
दूसरे दिन वॉश करती हूँ।
नॉर्मल शैम्पू से आप वॉश
हाँ
करते
जी।
हैं. So do you use hair serum? So do you know the importance of a hair serum or the importance of SPF in a hair serum? So we are Voila Well. We are a wellness brand who makes products for women above 40, and we have a hair serum, and our hair serum has SPF PA++ in it, SPF 25 PA++ in it. So it boosts hair health and it reduces irritation and it helps with the redness in scalps, and it is silicone free.
हेलो मैम।
Hello. So what is your hair care routine?
मैं रात को ऑयलिंग करती हूँ, सुबह हेयर वॉश करती हूँ शैम्पू से और उसके बाद सीरम लगाती हूँ।
So आप hair serum use करते हैं?
Yes.
So does your hair serum has SPF in it?
नो।
So you know what is the importance of having SPF?
नो।
Okay. This is Voila Agewell hair serum. Basically, Voila Agewell is a wellness brand that makes product for women over 40. This is our hair serum. It contains SPF PA+++. So it has a non-silicone base which actually nourishes your hair and it reduces the hair irritations or redness of your scalp and also help in hair growth. So this is our hair serum.